It worked. I'd have.
Why are you so tall? Why does this always happen?
This doesn't have to happen anymore with the new Lion Ladder.
What?
Guys, are you always just out of reach with that special girl? Not anymore. With the new 3-step Lion Ladder, you can step your game up almost instantly. Yeah! Cleaning those windows are always fun. Until it's time to do those hard-to-reach places. Aw, man. But thanks to Lion Ladder, those windows finally met their match.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Painting is always a chore, but not now. It's never been so calm and relaxing. It's just a joyful time. Look. You love your feathered friends, but filling the feeder can be such a daunting task. Oh no! But now with Lion Ladder, your birds will sing their morning songs with joy and glee with a full belly. And there's nothing worse than having company over and you can't turn the light on. No! But thanks to Lion Ladder, your day can now shine bright. Yeah! Try it yourself. We dare you. You won't be disappointed. Try it now.
Now I guess we can give you a full honest review since it's here.
And this is a paid ad.
So a while back, you guys, we were building in Jared's bedroom and Jared was painting or something and he had mentioned just in passing, he had said, man, I wish I had a step ladder. So I reached out to this company and
Look at it, guys. I mean, it's a step above its competition.
they sent us this step ladder. So
They did.
we are going to give you our full honest review on it and talk about some of the features that it entails.
And as you could tell, you already watched our little infomercial we did because we like to do skits. So it's a little dirty, so don't mind that because we actually put this thing to use. So let's get to it. So this is the Lion Ladder 3-step ladder. It's on Amazon for $59.99. And I think it's free shipping.
So this ladder can actually hold up to 330 pounds and it is just under 11 pounds itself. It is super, super easy and lightweight. Super easy to pick up and it's super lightweight.
So I don't think she's really going to be using this for her weightlifting competitions or anything. But that's a good thing because maybe she could use this workout. Let's see. Let's see real quick if she can work out with this. I know you can.
Look, I'll show you guys some exercises you can use on this step ladder. One being that you can step up, you know.
Look at that. That's a good workout right there.
And for our advanced ladies,
Ooh, look at that.
work them glutes. This is actually a really good idea. I didn't even think of that.
See, that's a good workout. She wasn't even thinking about that. That's an added bonus that I bet the company didn't even think about. That's a whole new marketing scheme. We're going to copyright that. The Crocker Homestead. You're welcome.
Some other features that we wanted to talk about is one, this handle. It's like a foam grip handle, so it makes it super comfy and you're not straining when you're carrying it around.
It is pretty soft.
Yeah, and then it's got like this indentions, so it's non-slip, so hopefully you don't fall off. Just kidding. It's non-slip, so that's great. This is made out of stainless steel.
And it has a coating on there so it doesn't get scratched up, which is great because we have cats and dogs and sometimes goats in our house, and sometimes you might need to use it outside. So you gotta be prepared. So hopefully, you know, it won't get scratched up.
And it won't scratch up your floors.
Because look at this. It's a little dirty because we actually use this, but non-slip. Put that on the floor. Let's see. Non-slip.
Non-slip, you guys.
So I'm gonna slide Jaylena's shoes over there. Put this back up here so you can see. Guys, we got it in the package and it was literally already pre-assembled. It just like this. Look, one-handed. I wonder if
He's gonna break the TV, y'all.
It's that lightweight, guys. But it came pre-assembled, and which I was very glad, because that's the last thing I want to do is put something together. But it is built pretty well. I was actually kind of surprised. I bought some step stools in the past from like Walmart for like 20 bucks, and they're just a cheap little cheapies, and it just isn't good. And so this was actually built very well. I was kind of surprised. For the price, I don't think you can get anything better than this, to be completely honest. And the fact that this actually has like the wider boards on it that you could step on makes it a lot easier, because you know, you're outside, you're doing stuff. Look at that, your whole foot can get on it, very easy. So that was a big bonus for me. Of course, I'm not a huge dude, but if you have huge feet, that'd probably come in handy, I think. But look at this. Household Ladder series. Has safety warnings on it, people. Safety, because safety first. Guys, like Jaylena said earlier, this thing is stainless steel.
And it is water resistant.
Yeah, so you can use it out if you're wanting to wash your windows in the rain or something. I don't know. So
whatever you're into, you know, if it's outside and in the rain, you're good.
Maybe your shower head's stuck and you need to get up there and fix it.
Maybe your pool ladder broke and you need to use the step ladder.
Maybe your dog fell in the pond and you need to help them get out. I don't know. There's many things that you could do with this thing. That's all I'm saying.
There is. So overall, you guys, this is a great step ladder for any household projects that you may have. As you saw in our little infomercial, like we did a ton of stuff around the house that we really wouldn't have been able to do without a step ladder for the most part. This is also great for businesses as well. So maybe, you know, if Jared ever needs to, he can take it to work with him. I don't know, we'll see. But let's talk about some other awesome features.
So let's talk the dimensions. It is 18.8 inches by 21.6 inches by 46 inches tall. And the folding dimensions are, when it's folded up, look how easy that was. Just unbelievably easy. It's 19.6 inches by 2.6 inches by 46.4. Look at those pointing skills, Vanna White. You better watch out.
Sending this to Price is Right.
So guys, we have something special for you guys because you're our followers and this step ladder is so cool, we want to help you out.
So we have a 10% off discount code.
10% off?
That is good through April 6th, 2019.
So get with it because that's
coming up very soon.
Very soon. So guys, this is a great ladder. I honestly told Jaylena when we got it, I said we have to find something wrong with it so we could be doing an honest review and just be super honest with you guys, because you know,
that
yes,
we keep it real.
We made this fun and infomercially and all that stuff, but the real thing is this is actually a pretty good step ladder.
I couldn't find anything wrong with it, and James was like, no, we have to. We gotta, you know, keep it real. And I said, I really can't find anything wrong with it.
This thing was actually pretty good. It's $60. It's $59.99 on Amazon. And like I said earlier, I've had cheap $20 ones, $30 ones from Walmart and stuff, and they just really are a piece of junk. And this is actually built pretty well, and it's super lightweight.
So we will leave the discount code and also the link to this product down in the description below. And we also want to give you the discount code right now, just so you can have it.
It will be down here. So hopefully you guys made it this far in the video. We know this is a little different than what we normally do. Like Jaylena said,
we're not getting paid a ton of money to do this video, but we did actually need a step ladder,
yeah,
so it's worth it.
Yeah, Jared actually, this is real life. He said, I need a step ladder so I could do some stuff. And so Jaylena reached out to the company. We got it. And we basically got a free step ladder, which is what we needed anyways. That saved us $60. Plus we got paid just a little bit of money for our time and effort. And it's just, it gave us another reason, honestly, to do a skit, a funny skit at the beginning. You know we like skits. And this way, our skits are coming straight to you that with no copyright issues, no nothing. We can actually do these skits and have fun with it. So if you like this, please throw some comments down below. We're not going to beg you to go buy this or anything. If you are in the market for a stepladder, it is actually pretty decent. So I jump on the offer code to save a little bit of money. And like I said, I'm pretty sure it's free shipping because it's over $25.
So, as always, guys, I hope you look forward to our next video, our next vlog. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and hitting the notification bell and finding us on all of our other social media platforms.
And if you didn't know, subscribing to our channel is free. Subscriptions are free. It only costs you a click. So, I think you can handle that. Until next time, we're going to enjoy the step ladder and use it all over the place. And I'm sure you're going to see it in our videos and stuff that this is not just something that we're like, oh, let's lie about it, put it in video, and then go on with our day. We're actually going to use this. We wanted it. We're going to use it.
Yeah, I think I'm going to go work out my bum.
Yeah, so she's been bugging me for a treadmill. This is what I got her to work out on, so I don't want to hear anymore. So thank you guys so much, as always, for watching our videos, sticking around, and just enjoying the day with us. So until next time.
See you later, alligator.